So if you're new to the channel, guys, consider subscribing and leave a like, etc. All that good stuff. I'm just going to show you quickly two of the features I use mainly with Topaz Photo AI. Now we're on version 3. This software is really good and it's definitely worth the investment if you're a photographer.
Do you want to know his secret?
Right, okay, so the first feature I'm going to show you, one I use quite often for doing prints, large prints for some of my clients, is the upscaling feature, which is really amazing. Now, we've got a photograph here, which has got a dimension of 960 by 570. And as you can see, it's pretty low res. You can just see it all there in the face. But we're going to fix that in no time whatsoever. So we're going to add a upscale to this image, and then you will see quickly how well this picture has been fixed. So there's the before and there's the after. Just look how it's caught the details in those eyelashes as well to enhance them and make me a picture that is going to be great for printing. Now we could add as well some other enhancements. We'll just have a go with the sharpen as well. We'll bring that up just a little bit. We don't want to go too far because it is a really small picture, and the more things you add, and if you go over the top with the strength, you can get some bad results. But it speaks for itself. Before, after, we'll add a little bit more strength to that as well. Enhancement done. I think I would probably stay at there, 31%. But there you go. You can see a clear and dramatic improvement on that picture. What about that, guys? Amazing. Right, okay, so I'm going to show you two more things that happen now and again in the studio, and that is you do get the shot you want, but then it's just out of focus, like this picture we've got on screen here. So we're going to add an enhancement, and we're going to go into here, and I'm just going to give it the lens blur. Well, there, it's done. Before, as I'm talking, it's done the enhancement for me. So there we go. Before, after, before. Now, again, nothing is 100% perfect in life, but it does make a picture more presentable, and you can get away with giving that to a client if they really wanted it. We could do some more adjustments in Photoshop, but you can just see the clear difference there. Before, after. Now that is just an amazing improvement. Now there is a lot of other things you can do in here, like minor denoise. These pictures were done in a studio, and low ISO, so there's no denoising really needed. I'm just going to show you one more. We've got another one here. Again, as you can see, it's just out of focus, but we want to use this picture, so we're going to try and fix it. And we'll go in here again. And we'll go to now the recover faces I don't use all the time. I don't think you need to, unless it's on a drastic case. Again, personal preference. I just use the ones that are built in, and I do get the results I need. So we're going to do there we go, we're done. Before, you can see the after. It's just sharpened up everything there. That makes it an image that when you see it at standard sort of range, it's usable now. Now, if you haven't tried this software yourself, I do highly recommend you going over to the Topaz page and trying it yourself. Let me just go up here now. Yeah, again, a lot of people use it for this sort of photography. You're using a long lens. It might be an f8 lens or whatever, and let me just show you quickly. you might have had an ISO, high ISO as well in the picture. So there's the before, there's the after. Now I've noticed some of these denoising ones, they do work better on, you know, the animal type of pictures, because they're not as, an animal doesn't, you know, an animal is detailed, but it's not as detailed as a human face, if you understand what I mean by that. And we've got the recovery, let me just show you on here. There we go, there's the before, there's the after. I mean, the results speak for themselves, that's all I can say. And I'm sure they do a trial. Well, let me just check. Photo AI. No, there's no trial. I'm sure there was a trial. But if there isn't, it is still worth the money. If you do a lot of photography and you do make those hiccups now and again, like I just showed you on here, where the image is just out of focus, you can get the fixes done in no time. And, you know, you can do some sort of fixing in Lightroom and Photoshop, but it doesn't really compare to what the Topaz can do. Anyway, quick video for you today, guys. Don't forget, like I said, if you're new to the channel, have a look around my page, see what I do, and consider subscribing. We'll see you in the next one.